And now I want to explain about definition from persuasive text. A persuasive text is any text where the main purpose is to present a point of view and seeks to persuade a reader. A persuasive text can be an argument, exposition, discussion, review, or even an advertisement.
Structure. First, introduction. An introduction is something that grabs the audience's attention with an interesting quote, a surprising statistic, or an anecdote that gets their attention. Introduce the subject, then state the argument in the form of a claim that defends, challenges, or qualifies a claim. Second, body paragraph. This section contains points that challenge or qualify the opponent's point of view using variable search. Spread each main point into its own paragraph and use one section of the essay to refute the opponent's beliefs. 3. Conclusion. The conclusion is the space to convey the message to the readers and is the last chance to convince them that the belief is true. After restarting the claim and reinforcing the main points, engage the readers with a call to action, a brief discussion of the question the essay asks or real-world consequence.
I will explain the characteristics of persuasive text. Here are the characteristics of persuasive text. First, clear thesis statement. The text has a clear and concise thesis statement that outlines the main argument or position the writer is advocating for. Second, logical structure. The argument is present in a logical and organized manner, often with an introduction, body paragraph, and a conclusion. Each paragraph builds upon the previous one to strengthen the overall argument. Third, strong opinion. The text begins with a compelling introduction that grabs the reader's attention and clearly states in the purpose of the text. Fourth, evidence and support. Persuasive texts use evidence such as fact, statistic, example, expert opinions, and anecdotes to support the argument. This evidence helps to validate the writer's claims and make the argument more convincing.
Fifth, appeal to emotion. Persuasive texts often appeal to the reader's emotions, pathos, to make the argument more relatable and impactful. This can be achieved through evocative language, vivid imagery, and personal stories. Sixth, appeal to logic and reason. In addition to emotional appeals, persuasive texts use logical reasoning, logos, to present well thought out arguments that are rational and make sense. 7. Ethical appeal. The writer often establishes credibility and trustworthiness ethos to persuade the reader. This might involve demonstrating knowledge of the topic, using fair and balanced arguments, and establishing a moral high ground. 8. Counterarguments and rebuttals. Effective persuasive texts anticipate opposing viewpoints and address them with counterarguments. This shows the reader that the writer has considered other perspectives and has a well-rounded argument.